Hello everyone, welcome back to Pekka Diaries. My name is Priyanka Seth. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this everyday matte makeup look. Now this makeup look is especially for girls who have oily skin. If you are a matte makeup lover like me and you like to wear matte makeup on everyday basis, or if you are an oily skin type girl and matte makeup is your only survival, then this video is for you. I kept this matte makeup look very easy, natural and wearable, so you can wear this makeup look on everyday basis. So if you also want to know how to achieve this look, then please continue watching my video. So for today's makeup look, I'm first going to use this sunscreen. This is by Lotus Herbals and it has SPF 30 in it. Since it's a everyday makeup look, we get exposure to sun every day, so it is very important to use a sunscreen on daily basis. It is an oil-free and non-greasy formula, so it is perfect for this everyday matte makeup look. Now moving on to primer, I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pore Primer. Primers create a smooth surface under our foundation and it also blurs our open pores or any texture that we have. So it is a mattifying primer, so it mattified the surface of my skin immediately. For an everyday matte makeup look, I highly recommend using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Since it will give you a demi-matte finish, it is an air light formula and also an oil-free formula. So it is perfect for everyday matte makeup look. I'm just going to take a tad bit on the back of my hand. To blend my foundation, I'm going to use my beauty blender. You can also use a brush. For an everyday matte makeup look, you can obviously skip concealer and you can just go in with foundation. But today I'm going to use a little bit of concealer to hide my dark circle. For this, I'm also going to use L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is also a mattifying concealer and it gives you full coverage. So after using concealer, you always look a little different, but trust me, at the end it will all come together. Now for a matte makeup look, it is very important to apply some powder to seal your foundation and concealer and to make sure that oil doesn't come on the surface of your skin. For that, I'm going to use this translucent powder by LA Girl. Now honestly, you can use any powder that you have. You can also use a banana powder, but for this look, I'm going to use this translucent powder. For today's look, I'm going to use a matte bronzing powder. This is by L'Oreal Paris. I will just lightly bronze my cheekbone, my jawline and my forehead. Now with a small fluffy brush, I'm also going to contour my nose a little with this bronze. I'm going to keep today's eye look very simple and matte. For that, I'm going to use this same bronzing powder that I used on my face. I'm just going to take a little on a fluffy brush and I will use this as my transition shade. Now to create a very natural smoky eye, I'm going to use a brown eye pencil. This is in the shade a Hot Chocolate and this pencil is by Essence. You just messily need to line your eyes and you can smudge it with a brush. I'm going to intensify a little more. You can go in with 2 or 3 layers of eyeliner depending how intensified you want your eye look to be. Now I'm going in with this matte brown eyeshadow. This is by K Beauty and this is in the shade Enigma. Just very messily put it on the eyelids. Now this is a very quick everyday makeup look, so you don't need to be very precise with it. You can smudge everything at the end. For blending, you can also use your fingers, but I'm going to use this eye brush. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow underneath my lashes. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to use this brown mascara by Benefit. This eyebrow mascara looks very natural, you guys, and it will help my eyebrows to stay in place all day long. Now for mascara, I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. My eye look is done. Now it's time to bring back some color on my face. For that, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution blush palette. For today's makeup, I'm going to pick these 2 blush shades. For lips, I'm going to use this matte liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Wifey. Since I use so many powder products, I want to set my face with this Smashbox setting spray. So this is the final result, you guys. I did not use any highlighter because this is a matte makeup look. Guys, for everyday natural makeup look, just remember 2 things. First, you don't want to use a lot of foundation and concealer because you don't want your base to cake up. And second, keep your eye looks very simple and subtle. So I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video, you guys. Bye bye.